In today's video, I am going to teach you how to run JavaScript in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, navigate to any website. It can be a simple page you trust and recognize. The point is to have a page loaded so you can use Chrome's built-in developer tools to run JavaScript directly in the browser. Next, right-click anywhere on the page. This will open a context menu. From the bottom of that menu, select Inspect. When you click Inspect, Chrome DevTools will appear, usually docked to the right side or the bottom of your browser window. This panel is where developers can view page structure, debug issues, and run code. At the top of the DevTools panel, find and click the tab labeled Console. The console is an interactive area where you can type JavaScript and run it immediately. It is useful for quick tests, debugging, and checking how code behaves on a real page. Now look toward the bottom of the console. You will see a blue arrow symbol, which looks like a greater than sign. Click in the empty area next to that arrow. This places your cursor in the command line so you can start typing. Type your JavaScript code. For a simple example, you can type alert, hello world. This is a basic command that tells the browser to show a pop-up message. Take your time to type it exactly, including the parentheses and quotes, because JavaScript is sensitive to punctuation. When you are ready, press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Enter, the code runs immediately. In this example, you should see the alert appear on the page right away. This instant feedback is one of the main advantages of using the console when you are learning or testing small pieces of code. After you run a few commands, the console can start to look cluttered. To reset the view, click the clear console icon in the top left of the console panel. It looks like a circle with a line through it. This will clear the previous output, giving you a clean space to continue. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.